Discover a world of wipes made with you in mind. Welcome to our world of wipes. We are Kleen-Pak, a leading international supplier of premium quality, branded and private label wet wipe products, headquartered in Singapore, with manufacturing sites located in Singapore and Vietnam. We are capable of producing nearly 1 million packs of wet wipes every day. Our customers include the world's top supermarket retailers, health and beauty stores, online retailers, international and national brand owners, institutions and ultimately end users all over the world who want safe, effective and convenient wet wipe products. Our success comes from the 3 core values which we uphold in our organization: quality, innovation and integrity. They have guided us in everything we do, from design conceptualization to product completion. Starting with the needs of our customers and together with our experts from market development, we work closely with our carefully selected suppliers whom we know and trust to conceptualize the eventual product.
Kleen-Pak is a true partner, showing our strong beliefs in innovation, excellence, investing time together to find the best solutions for an effective wet wipe product.
Together, we are developing new and exciting wet wipes folding formats. Product formulation, non-woven substrate options and package styles to cater to our ever-expanding customer base.
I need to be assured that the raw materials I buy for the group comes from the best qualified source and offer the best value commercially and in quality.
Our experts in procurement and quality work closely with suppliers to source the high-quality materials and chemicals we demand throughout the year. As a leading wet wipes manufacturer with quality accreditations in ISO 9001, ISO 22716 and Cosmetic GMP, we conduct regular quality and safety meetings with our suppliers and stakeholders in our organization.
It's really exciting to work with such a dynamic and supportive team and to see our concepts and new formulations we created on the supermarket shelves.
Working with independent agencies, we offer extensive in-house capabilities such as product and process validation, formulation development, microbiological and analytical testing, liquid manufacturing, product design, compatibility and stability studies. Just a few of the vital mechanics behind hundreds of new products we launched around the world each year.
It's about understanding what our customers and end users want and making it happen.
We are constantly developing new and innovative wet wipe products for new applications using new formats, materials and platforms for the different markets.
Developing great-looking, effective wet wipes at the right cost with a good return for our customers and for Kleen-Pak.
We bring the best to the shelves by investing in great people, innovation and manufacturing capabilities.
We apply the best practices in liquid manufacturing, converting, and packaging using our modern and state-of-the-art technology. But when only human touch will do, we use people power.
We ensure continuous improvement in quality and operational excellence at all levels through constant training and regular internal audits within our organization, and also routine external audits on suppliers. Our advanced 6-stage water purification system that comprises of dual membrane and ultraviolet sanitizing technologies ensures all water used in our products is of the highest purity. Stringent quality controls at all levels of wet wipes manufacturing processes, from starting materials to final products, are performed religiously by our highly skilled production and quality specialists. Environmental monitoring at key production areas and metal detection devices installed are some of the important features to ensure our products are always manufactured consistently under safe and hygienic conditions.
We manufacture to tight deadlines, often delighting our customers with quick turnaround, reasonable volume run sizes, and realistic market pricing.
As an international supplier to major customers and brand owners, we are conscious about our responsibilities, taking care of the precious environment and the trust from our customers and our valuable people.
We manage our supply chain to locations in multiple countries around the globe by road, sea, air, and rail. It's a demanding job and it is important we get it right.
We deliver our products to our customers through various logistical arrangements, from self-collection using third-party forwarders to shipping directly in loosely consolidated or fully laden containers. Our logistics experts manage both our inbound raw materials and the delivery of the finished products we make directly from our factories. We are fast and responsive, focused on meeting our customers' needs in an ever-changing market. Above all, it is the trust given to us that we uphold dearly in maintaining strict confidentiality in the work we do with our private label and contract customers. We recognize we are part of the wider community, doing the right things in the right way. Our journey from the humble conceptualization to the final completion ends with the people who enjoy our products. The evolving habits and likes of the end users remain our ultimate focus. We are a humble business with a simple aim to provide safe, effective and convenient wet wipe products to people everywhere. This is us. We are Kleen-Pak.